Welcome to VM Wealth Money Moves, your weekly roundup of the market movements that matter. On the equity market, the near 3 weeks of a sustained rally on both the main and junior markets seems to have come to an end on April 15th. On Monday, the government of Jamaica announced that the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases surpassed 100 and implemented greater restrictions on movement to temper the spread of the virus. This progression sparked fears in investors about the impact COVID-19 would have on the economy. In response, investors sold down their holdings, leading to a 1.7% daily decline on the main market and a 3% decline on the junior market. On the money market, in last week's 30-day CD, the Bank of Jamaica offered $4 billion. The auction was 447.3% oversubscribed and only 25.4% of the bids were successful. The average yield on successfully allocated bids was 0.98%. On the bond market, throughout the past week, investors continued to be pessimistic about the economic fallout of the COVID-19. While some brief optimism returned on the back of the Fed's announcement of a possible US $2.3 trillion injection into the economy, weak economic data weighted on investor sentiment. As a result, investors have flocked towards safe haven assets like the US 10-year Treasury. The yield on the Treasury, which moves inversely to price, fell 9 basis points from April 7th to close at 0.63% on the 15th. On the foreign exchange market, in response to the strong demand for foreign exchange, the Bank of Jamaica intervened in the market on April 8th by way of a flash auction. The bank restricted the offer of US $20 million to be FICSIT participants who were end users or non-financial clients. This auction, however, was insufficient in satisfying the total demand in the market. As a result, the broker market closed at Jamaican $141 to $1 on April 15th. Representing a $1.10 depreciation of the Jamaican dollar in comparison to the 7th. The Bank of Jamaica's weighted average selling rate also lost $2.23 to close at $139.62 on the 15th. Year to date, the Jamaican dollar is down $7.05 or 5.3%. Contact your VM Wealth advisor before you make your next money move. Email wealthinfo@myvmgroup.com.